And you know, the thing about being in a calorie deficit, you really find out what you're capable of, because there's little things that stress us out during the day, and food is one of the things that brings us back to our center, because we're going to reach for food that gives us our same chemical profile of molecules of emotion. So if you find yourself craving something, okay, number one, it could be because you're not eating well enough with your macros, which then of course we would have a conversation about. But a lot of cravings are emotional, and it's just a way for the mind body to get back to who it is, you know? And so when you find yourself feeling like you really want to eat something and it's not time to eat, or you've already fulfilled your macros for the day, you really have to figure out how to change your chemicals with your thoughts. That means you have to like actually sit with yourself of like what's coming up for you in that moment, what upset you. Like you have to do like investigative work in the moment to be like, why do I actually want to eat all of this chocolate right now? Is my period due? Did I just have something stressful happen? Am I a defined solar plexus like Lauren and I was just on an energetic wave? Am I on the low end of a wave and all I have to do is wait this out? Like there's a lot of things that go into why cravings happen. And you know, we don't have to get sucked into, I've heard this recently, the swamp of divine feminine energetics. We don't have to deconstruct everything all the time. We can really be pragmatic in the moment. My goal right now is to not have a bunch of crazy cravings while I'm in week 2 of a severe cut. Because let me tell you, 1,200 calories while working out is not very much food. This is extreme. Temporary extreme. A reverse cut is a temporary extreme. And then it gets better as the weeks go on. And then all of a sudden, you've lost weight and you're eating your maintainable calories. It's like your exit strategy from a diet, which a lot of programs, that's like a lot of the thing that's missing.